Good morning guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock, mark Fingerprint Unlock, draw your unlock pattern if you already have one, and if you don't you will have to create it, and now just place your fingerprint on the sensor. As you can see, it's located on your power button, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor and repeat till it's fully added. As you can see, it is done. Just mark done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.